Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you use Safari on your iPhone every day, there are a few things you should check immediately. With iOS 27, Apple continues to improve privacy and security, but some Safari features can still expose more of your browsing activity and personal information that you might realize. In this video, we will look at a few Safari settings that you may want to turn off to better protect your privacy. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open settings on your device, and then you have to simply scroll it below all the way and go to apps, and then scroll it below and go to Safari browser from here. Once you are here, you have to simply scroll it below. And the first thing, you have to simply turn on the toggle for prevent cross-site tracking. So guys, if this tracking is on, you have to simply turn it off, and after this you have to simply hide your IP address from trackers. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply tap on this hide IP address, and from here you have to simply check this to from trackers, and if it is off, you have to simply check this to from trackers. So guys, after this, go back, and then you have to simply turn on the toggle for fraudulent website warning. So guys, you can see this, if this toggle is off, you have to simply turn it on as well. So guys, after this you have to simply scroll it below and tap on clear history and website data, and clear the history and website data of your browser for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply go back to your home screen again, and hopefully after this will work and protect your device very safely. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.